Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another first impression fragrance video. And if you saw the title, you already know what it is. From the house of Jimmy Choo's, and it is Jimmy Choo's Man Blue. If you want to hear more about this fragrance, it's coming right up. Before we start this fragrance video, what is your scent of the day, ladies and gentlemen? Please leave a comment below, let me know what your scent of the day is and why you're wearing it. My scent of the day, which is going to be in a few hours, I'm going to take a shower, is going to be a new fragrance I just reviewed as a first impression. It is from the house of Imaginary Authors. It's Every Storm Serenades. So, today is going to be a cool video. It's about the house of Jimmy Choo's Man Blue. Most Jimmy Choo fragrances, they're okay. I bought the white one, Jimmy Choo's, a while ago. Ice, and it was okay fragrance. I did a giveaway on my channel and gave it away. It's okay fragrance, didn't perform that well on my skin, but it smells very nice. They have an intense version that smells really nice too. I have to buy it when I don't have the intense one, but people have told me you should buy that fragrance. The new one is Jimmy Choo's Man Blue, and with this fragrance here, I have a sample here. I picked it up at Sephora, and I got Dior Joy too. It's nice to go to Sephora and just pick out one or two samples if you're not sure what fragrances you want. It's really nice because some people don't know what fragrance they want to buy, and they help you out. They tell you, ask you what you're looking for in a fragrance, how it smells. This video is not sponsored by Sephora. I'm just saying they're really nice people there and do a great job. If you know about fragrances, then you can bypass talking to them. If you don't know and you're trying to look for a fragrance for somebody or a loved one or somebody, they help you out. They're really nice. They're not pressuring you. They tell you, hey, try it out, spray it, get a sample before you even buy anything. Most stores don't do that. So this is Jimmy Choo's Man Blue. So I smelled it a few times before. I do like it. The price for Jimmy Choo's Ice Man Blue, you're looking at a price between $70 for the 1.7 ounce and $90 for the big 3.4 ounce. There's only two sizes this comes in right now. You can pick it up at Macy's, Sephora, and Nordstrom. So let me break down some of the notes in this fragrance for you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we have notes of leather, black pepper, sandalwood, vetiver, bergamot, citrus, and pineapple. So when I first sprayed this fragrance on myself, I get a lot of the black pepper in this fragrance here. It is like a fresh fragrance too. It's similar to like the Dior Sauvage and Bleu de Chanel, but it's not quite all the way there. It's like in that rotation. I think they're trying to have one in fragrances. I think that's why I named it blue, to try to appeal to people that like them type of fragrances. I like it. I do smell some of the leather in it too, and I do get the citrus, but mainly I get a lot of the pepper in it. On my skin, everybody's skin's going to be different with this skin chemistry, but on my skin, I get some of the fresh and citrus and the black pepper. This fragrance is okay so far. I do like it. I've tried it out before. I never got a sample. I've sprayed on my wrist at like Macy's a few times and Nordstrom to see if I like it. I do like it. The bottle presentation is really nice. I'm going to try to put a picture in the corner over here of the box. It's really nice. The bottle presentation is like blue and dark blue. It's really nice. Very, very eye-catching if you walk to Macy's or Nordstrom. You should definitely go to your Nordstrom or Macy's or Sephora and try it out. It's really nice. It smells really nice. I'm not sure if this performs really good or longevity. I'm not sure. I have to do some more testing and see if my girlfriend likes this fragrance and wear it out a few more times. But I do like the fragrance so far. I highly suggest you should check this fragrance out. I'll leave the price down in the description, how much it costs again. But it's between $70 and $90 for this Jimmy Choo's Man Blue. If you heard about this fragrance, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you heard about this fragrance. If you like this fragrance and have it, please let me know your feedback down below. I'm going to have a special giveaway coming up really soon for my 3,000 subscriber mark hit. I'm going to do a couple giveaways and stuff. I appreciate everybody subscribing to my channel. It means the world to me. I try to put out many videos as I can so you guys enjoy fragrances, and I enjoy giving you guys videos, and I enjoy the people that watch my videos that are subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, I understand that you still watch my videos, so I appreciate it. But if you do like my fragrance reviews, unboxing, free giveaways, all I have to do is to click the subscribe button on the screen. Click the bell icon so you're notified when I upload new fragrance reviews. And please leave a comment below if you're new to your channel and you subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Another fragrance review is coming up really soon. Bye.